Good afternoon. This is Robert with Barden Roofing. I'm here at Jonah Easley, 1730 Grand Oaks, Woodstock, Georgia, doing a repair attempt. I'm going to attempt to repair this, to replace this this wind damaged shingle right here. You can already see that it's starting to crease the shingle above it. You can see all the granule loss from right here, just from nailing the shingle. This is already failed right here. I'm gonna go ahead and nail this shingle down, but you can tell that it's already knocked the granules off of this shingle and this shingle right here. You can see the creases. So this is indeed a failed test. Thank you very much.